How to use two Telegram accounts in one phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now, without any further ado, let's get started with our video. First and foremost, launch the Telegram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with one of your Telegram account. Now, once you land on this interface, now to add another account on Telegram, head over to the three-line icon from the top left corner and you will get this menu bar in your interface. Now to use two accounts, first of all you have to add the another account. Now if you tap on the profile name from this interface, add account option will pop up. So tap on add account. Now to begin with, first of all you have to enter your phone number. Before that, select your country. And under that, type in your correct phone number. Once you do that, tap on this arrow icon and after that you have to verify your phone number. There you will receive a verification code in your text box in your number. Then you can simply copy and paste that verification code. Once your number is verified, you have to set up your account by typing in your account name. So type in the name for your account and after that tap on OK, and with that you will have new account on Telegram. And once you have added the another account in Telegram, now to switch from one account to another, once you get to this interface, tap on the three-line icon from the top right corner and from there again tap on account section or your account name, and there you have option to switch from one account to another where the account name will pop up. So tap on that account and as soon as you do that, you will get switched into that account. So that's how you can use two Telegram accounts in one phone. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.